Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the Kuromi Crepes in Heartopia. So, right now Heartopia has a new collaboration event with Sanrio, and then in here you can cook any Sanrio theme recipe, and one of them is this Kuromi Crepes. And to cook these crepes, you need to get the Kuromi crepe recipe first. You can get the recipe from the Sanrio character gacha machine reward over here. After you do the 7 gacha pulls like this, and then after that just claim the rewards over here, and then after that just go to your stove, choose the recipe, this recipe Kuromi crepes, and then in here you just need uh, wheat and then butter, egg and raspberry, and then after that just simply tap start cooking. Okay, just like this, you will successfully cook these Kuromi crepes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.